Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to shorten page length in Wix. Is your Wix page is too long with the extra space at the bottom? Let me show you how to fix that. So first you need to log in Wix website and then on the dashboard go to the top right side and you will see design and site option. Click on this and you are now on your site. Once you are in your site, you will see at the bottom there is a lot of space that makes the template more longer. So we have to shorten this. So we have to just double click on this and you will see the blue double side arrow will appear. Now we just have to drag this and make it shorter and just drag the text to the upside. Just drag it and arrange the other things also. Once it's done, now you have to also drag the space. We have to cover the space. So we just have to drag this and done. Now that's it. You have successfully shorted this template, and this template length is now shorter, not that huge. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.